Okay, answer this. What's the capital of Dubai? Tell me, is Dubai a country? Confusing, right? So what is Dubai? Is Dubai a country, city, a state, or what? Let's clear this confusion. Dubai is a city that is the capital of Emirate of Dubai, and the United Arab Emirates, or UAE, is a country which is located in the southeast of the Arabian Peninsula and borders Oman and Saudi Arabia. This country comprises of 7 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Funaira, and Ras Al Khaimah. Each of these emirates have a separate flag of their own, in addition to that of the UAE, and Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE. Now, what is an emirate? An emirate is basically a state or territory ruled over by an emir. An emir is a title used for Arab leaders. How is it different from a state or country? Firstly, it's too small to be considered a country or a state. Since UAE is a constitutional monarchy, which is just a technical term for a kingdom, so an emirate is a kind of small, princely state or city under the governance of a local ruler. UAE's president, His Highness, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, looks over the entire UAE, while each emirate is ruled over by its own ruler and a local government.